Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable the Developer Tools icon on Google Chrome on your PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which represents Chrome's main menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize virtually every aspect of your browser experience. The settings page is your control center for managing how Chrome looks and behaves. Once you're in the settings page, turn your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a vertical navigation menu with several categories listed. From this menu, click on Appearance. This section is specifically designed to help you customize the visual elements of your Chrome browser, including toolbars, themes, and various interface options. Within the appearance settings, you'll see several customization options available to you. Look for an option that says Customize your toolbar and click on it. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to control which icons and buttons appear in your browser's toolbar, helping you keep your interface clean and organized with only the tools you actually use. Now, on the right side of your screen, a new panel will appear showing you all the different toolbar customization options. You'll need to scroll down through this list to find the specific option you're looking for. Take your time scrolling through until you locate Developer Tools in the list. This is the icon that appears in your toolbar, giving you quick access to Chrome's developer features. Once you've found Developer Tools in the list, you'll notice there's a toggle button right beside it. This toggle controls whether the Developer Tools icon is visible in your Chrome toolbar or not. Simply click on this toggle to turn it off. The moment you click it, the Developer Tools icon will be removed from your toolbar, giving you a cleaner browser interface without that extra icon taking up space. And that's it, you've successfully disabled the Developer Tools icon from your Google Chrome toolbar. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.